Good morning. We've left our ghost hotel for the last time, and today I'm very excited because we're headed to the Atlantic Ocean Road. And
it's time for another installment of Reddy's quasi-useful travel information that nobody asked for.
I know we promised we'd come up with a theme song, but we haven't. So the Atlantic Ocean Road is this 8-kilometer stretch between Bud or Bad and Averoy or whatever it's pronounced, like Overoy. It was voted the engineering marvel of Norway of the past century or something to that effect, and also the world's most beautiful drive. It's this 8-kilometer stretch that hops between islands with these stunning bridges, and it's entirely exposed to the Atlantic Ocean. So I have very high hopes. I've seen pictures of it before. It looks incredible. So what I'm really hoping to do is for us to drive on that stretch of road and take drone shots and drone footage of the car driving along those like curvy, weird bridges, hopping between the islands and following the car with a drone. As we're driving, we kept seeing bikes like these on the side of the road, painted in different colors, and I was confused as to why there would be all these clearly decorative bikes here. So we found out that the town of Eresfjord, that we're about to actually get into right now, has hundreds of these bikes, after they're worn out and no longer usable, decorating the entire town. So we're almost at the Atlantic Ocean Road, so I keep confusing and going to say Great Ocean Road from Australia. Entirely different oceans and roads. However, the weather today has been ridiculous. It goes from like zero rain and wind to just a complete deluge, which lasts for 2 minutes and it stops again. So what we're hoping to do is go over the road with this Osmo on the car, just to get some few initial shots, and then unless the weather opens up and we can get the drone shots that I want, we'll come back tomorrow again and hope for the best.